about balancing a set of nice quality pistons. And if we have to remove a lot of aluminum, a lot of metal off of a piston, we could actually be cutting quite a bit. This is a Mall set of pistons. They come extremely well balanced. This particular set was actually off 1.5 grams on most of them. This one here was off 3.5 grams from the rest. All these other ones are pretty damn close and within a gram. All that being said is, do we want to sit here and remove a lot of aluminum out of our piston? We can be cutting this all up for 3 grams. That would actually be quite a bit. And I don't want to actually mess with the structure of the piston. So here's a tip of the day. Remove metal from the pin. This isn't going to be a boosted application. This is a good tool steel pin anyway, so there's no problem. If this was a boosted application, then you might not want to remove from the pin. But that being said, it's easier to remove 3 grams from the pin as opposed to removing 3 grams from the aluminum. And there we are. So that's a way to remove weight from the pin without actually having to whittle away at the piston quite a bit. Let's do another one. This one is slightly over. I've already moved a little bit from the pin. I'm going to show you how. It's just die grinder, stone. Watch your ears. I did say watch your ears. Wear your safety glasses, and if y'all know what happened to my eye. Look at there. A lot easier than sitting here and putting this up on the Bridgeport mill, put it on my jig, and like I said, coming in here and cutting that much is not really, I don't want to do that to a nice quality piston. So now I'm actually able to take these pistons. They were all within 1 gram except for this one, and this one was 3.5. That one was at 3.5. I was able to do it without touching the pistons at all. All right, so the tip of the day, remove from the piston pin is actually, in my mind or my world, is preferred than taking it from the piston.